Making two major announcements. The Congress on Monday said that Rahul Gandhi has decided to give up Wayanad and he's going to stick to the family bastion of Rai Bareli in Uttar Pradesh. And capping all speculation, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is finally making her poll debut, but from Wayanad. Both brother and sister addressed a brief media briefing yesterday in which they said that both constituencies should feel like they have two MPs. Listen in.
प्रियंका वायनाड से चुनाव लड़ेगी, मगर मैं भी पीरियोडिकली वायनाड जाऊंगा और जो वायदे हमने वायनाड को किए थे उनको हम पूरा करेंगे। रायबरेली का पुराना रिश्ता है, काफ़ी खुशी हो रही है कि मैं उनको फिर से रिप्रेजेंट करूंगा।
बहुत खुश हूँ मैं। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एबल टू represent Wayanad, and all I'll say is that I won't let them feel his absence. As he said, he'll come many times with me, but I will work as hard and I will try my best to make everybody happy and to be a good representative. और रायबरेली के साथ तो मेरा बहुत ही पुराना रिश्ता भी है और 20 सालों से मैंने काम किया है दोनों रायबरेली और अमेठी में, तो वो रिश्ता तो कहीं मतलब किसी भी तरह से टूट नहीं सकता।
पार्टी ने ये तय कर दिया कि राहुल गांधी जी अपना रायबरेली का सीट रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि रायबरेली ये पहले से भी उनके बहुत नज़दीक है। उस फैमिली के साथ बड़ा जुड़ाव है वहाँ से और पीढ़ियों से वहाँ पर वो लड़ते आए हैं।
If you have to make an entry into the Hindi heartland, it has to be through Uttar Pradesh. The Congress has been decimated, done badly in 2014 as well as in 2019 Lok Sabha elections, as well as in the assembly elections. And that's the reason why Rahul Gandhi chose to retain Raebareli. As you rightly said, well anticipated. This is something that we on NDTV reported as early as the 5th of June, a day after the counting. But the fact remains that there will definitely be those comments that this is dynastic politics. Both brother and sister are now going to be in the Lok Sabha, mother in the Rajya Sabha. And to that, the Congress has responded by saying, look at the Modi's cabinet. I mean, look at the dynastic politics that is taking place there. So those are definitely issues which will definitely continue to be raised. But they seem nevertheless quite clear that one hand in the north, one hand in the south, Raebareli has, Wayanad, as you've seen, has become a Congress bastion. And with Priyanka Gandhi agreeing to contest and is in all likelihood will win with a record margin there, it's quite clear that they will definitely be able to show that they have a pan-India presence and just not the Hindi heartland, and make that significant message across South India as well as North India by contesting from Wayanad, as well as Rahul Gandhi retaining Raebareli.
For Rahul Gandhi keeping his seat from Raebareli will also be important, not just in the national picture, but also for the 2024 UP Assembly polls, because in 2027 it will be Modi Yogi jodi versus UP ke ladke Akhilesh and Rahul ki jodi in the 2027 Uttar Pradesh Assembly polls. But I would just like to speak to one person here. आपका नाम?
वन प्लस हमारे पिंटू यादव राम है।
आपको क्या आप पहले
हमको बस सहयोग चाहिए, ये चाहिए कि जैसे अखिलेश कर रहे थे वैसे करिए आप।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
तो अब राहुल गांधी जो है यहाँ से
राहुल गांधी हुए हैं उसके बाद नहीं है, बाकी जैसा हो वैसा करिए बस।
अच्छा, आप तो अखिलेश
आदमी को सहयोग दीजिए, बस सब आदमी को काम दीजिए, सहयोग देना चाहिए आपको, बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए बस हम लोग।
आपको काम यहाँ पे अभी कम हो गया पिछले कुछ साल।
हम लोग के कहाँ मिल रहा है? यहाँ पे 10 रुपया मिल रहा है, 5 रुपया मिल रहा है, कभी मिल भी नहीं रहा है, वो क्या फायदा है लेने के लिए?
इस सरकार से वैसे आपकी उम्मीद है कि काम बढ़े अब आगे जाकर, है ना?
इस सरकार जो है ना, इस सरकार में हकीकत बता रहा हूँ, सब चीज मिलता था पहले, बाकी
हो रही है,
अब दिक्कत हो गया। अखिलेश का राज
क्या करते हैं आप? क्या करते हैं?
लेबर का काम करते हैं। हाँ, जब बस
रो काहे रहे हैं, इमोशनल काहे हो रहे हैं? कोई बात नहीं,
अरे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है,
कोई बात नहीं। of course, you know, one person here, I thought we'll speak about Rahul Gandhi, but yes, inflation and unemployment has hit so hard to people, we can of course see here. But yes, very important development that took place yesterday. You know, it will also boost the UP cadre of the Congress party, because at the same point of time, the Congress is seeking revival in Uttar Pradesh. In 2019, it was down to last one seat, and in 2024, it has finally it has won 6 seats in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls. So of course, very important for Rahul Gandhi to remain a member of parliament from there.